Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shipping address in WooCommerce checkout page. So the first thing you need to do is open up your WordPress dashboard and then go to WooCommerce and then click on this setting option at the bottom. After this, simply go to the shipping tab and then click on this add zone button. Now to add more specific fields, what you need to do is just select the checkout fields from the top, and then you will see a tab for different types of field. So simply click on this shipping fields and then you can use the add field button, this add field button, to add the fields that you want to add, such as delivery instructions or the door code. You can also customize all of this field as you like. So that's how you can add shipping address in WooCommerce checkout page. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.